this is Dean, and we are Grassroots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be.
We're now here in Wakefield, Michigan, and we're here at this absolutely stunningly free campsite.
Stunningly beautiful.
Yeah. Well,
you said stunningly free, but I guess it is kind of stunning that it is free.
Yeah. I mean, we have free electricity, free water. They do request a donation, which I'm sure we'll, submit a little bit into, but this is, it's right next to a lake. Let's show you how close we are. There's Casey right there.
Oh, I was trying to get out of your way. I got in your way.
All right, come back this way. I wish you could really, truly see what this sunset is doing right now.
Yeah.
It is so beautiful. Right, I want to give you just a little bit more information. There are approximately 5 campsites there. 2 of them appear as if the people had been there for a while. Wakefield itself is just a small town in the far western part of the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. All right, we have Verizon, and our cell service was okay. Hey, for those of you that are interested in traveling the north central states, we have other reviews of free or cheap campgrounds, so check out that playlist. We'll see you over there.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow.